Yo, what's up YouTube guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to fix lag in Roblox on mobile, guys. I have an Android I personally use to play Roblox, and I was getting all these stutters and lag issues, and I found a way to fix it by downloading an app that actually optimizes your phone, so that way you guys can actually get no lag no matter whatever kind of mobile you're on. If you guys haven't tried this, you gotta try it out. Before we go into the video, guys, I do want to mention I'm doing a huge Visa gift card giveaway, guys. You can use this to buy Robux if you want. If you guys want to enter in this $250 Visa gift card giveaway, that's a lot of Robux. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, and then comment down below why you want this Visa gift card, what are you gonna be using it for, and if you're gonna be using Roblox for what games. But yeah, let's get right into the tutorial. Guys, so I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox lag on actual mobile device. I just grabbed my iPhone just for explanation purposes, because a little bit faster, but I actually did this on my Android and it fixed all the lag for me. But I did wanna show you guys on a faster device, so that way you guys know how it works. So guys, all you want to do is you're going to be able to download this Roblox++ application. What this app does, just an optimizer for your actual game. And basically what it does, it gets rid of all the background services so that way your game can run smoothly, guys. Like on my Android, I doubled the performance and I get no stutters at all. You're going to go to your browser right here, and you're simply going to go to odexgen.com, guys. If you guys don't know what odexgen.com is, it's basically a third-party app store. What that means is they're not going to allow a Roblox lag fixture on the app store, right? So you have to download this Roblox++ application so that way you guys can actually fix the lag. So as you can see right there, guys, on the top, Roblox++ is right there. All you got to do is tap install. Or if you guys, for some reason, if it's not up there, you can go back here, type in Roblox like this, search for it, and it's going to be right there. Roblox++ is the application you want to download, install. Okay guys, right here it says generate Robux, Roblox Studio, mobile, change username, and more tools. Inside the application there's more tools to actually fix the lag, so that's what we're going to be using. But right here you're going to select if you're on iOS or Android. I'm on iOS, and you're going to tap start download. Very easy to do, guys. This is processing a request. Just give it a second. And it just depends on your internet speed, how long this is going to take, but it's pretty easy to do. Once you have Roblox++, there's going to be an option for you inside the application to actually fix. It's going to literally say turn on lag switch or lag fixture, and that's it, guys. You turn it on and you're good to go. You never have to worry about Roblox lag ever again. So right here we just need to verify that we're human. Very easy to do. You just have the verify now button, guys. I know you guys seen a lot of different things like this that don't work, but this one fully works. I've tested it myself. And if not, I wouldn't be making this tutorial. So right here, there's gonna be 3 offers on this screen. All we have to do is download and open each application on this screen for 30 seconds. After that, the actual system will verify that we're human, and then the Roblox++ download will actually start right here after that loading bar is cleared out. So pretty self-explanatory. All we gotta do is download and open each app on this screen. So we're gonna click on the first app, search App Store. Simply gonna download the application, and we're gonna open it up for 30 seconds. There it is. I already have it downloaded because I've done this before, like I said. And then you just open the application up for 30 seconds. Now after 30 seconds, guys, all you want to do is go back to the main page. You're going to go right here, and you're going to complete the second and the third offer. After you complete all 3 offers on this screen, guys, that loading bar will turn to a download now button. You go ahead and tap that download now button, and you're going to be able to download Roblox++, and then all you have to do is open that up, and there's going to be 3 options. There's going to be some for Roblox or changing your username, and then it's going to say lag fix. Tap that and you turn that on. You're good to go, guys. Very easy to do. If you need any help, please let me know too. Alright guys, by now you should have gotten Roblox++. All you have to do is open that application up, and on top right there's going to be a menu icon. You tap that menu icon and you're going to find problems. It's going to show problems under one of the options. Select that, and it's going to say fix lag. Click that. It's going to optimize your phone completely. It's going to boost your RAM. It's going to clear out all things that your phone isn't using. And then when you open up Roblox, the actual Roblox game, guys, you literally see the biggest difference. Like you'll get way more FPS, less stutters, and it's amazing, guys. I personally play Strucid, and I get a lot of lag on my mobile device, so this will absolutely fix it for you guys. If you guys need any help, let me know in the comments. I love helping people out. Just make sure you like and subscribe, and that will also enter you into my Visa gift card giveaway. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to win this $250 Visa. Make sure you tell me what you're going to be using it for, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.